Yo, B. Brandon.
What's up?
Come here. Look, do you know what this is?
Huh?
This is an acorn squash. I want to do a squash puree.
Squash puree?
I'm going to take this acorn squash. I'm going to puree this baby. Done. The seeds out.
Let me see. Bang. Okay.
Some boiling water.
Okay.
And you're going to steam them. I'm upside down. Steam them. 45 minutes to an hour. See you later.
75 years later.
Ooh, let's test it. Make sure they're nice and soft. Okay. Yep.
What'd you do? You know what I
I
mean?
just poke it. See, you poke it through the skin. And if it comes out easy, that means that it's fully cooked. And two. Yeah.
Oh yeah!
So you see, we didn't peel it or anything. So now I'm just going to smash it. I want to use a little bit of salt, black pepper, cinnamon, a nutmeg. And what it needs? Butter. Butter makes everything better. You wash dishes, Brandon?
I did.
Where's my spatulas?
It smells good.
See how nice it is. Now since it's squash, Brandon, has already been cooked, very soft, so you don't need a lot of speed on the blender to break anything down. So it's done. So Brandon, this is the best squash. Is very nutritious. Did I say that correctly?
I don't know.
It sounded kind of weird, but I don't care. But it has a lot of nutrients. Squashes, the family of squash, and this is a season where it's very inexpensive, so take advantage of it. Take advantage of it. This is for you, and this is for me. You ready to taste it?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Cheers. Try it out.
Enjoy.
Oh my god.
And this is the acorn squash, the ones that people don't kind of use for anything.
You just knocked that out.
Oh, I'm sorry. I need to leave some leftover?
No, but it's just...
I love my
We're
purees.
trying to talk about
I
it.
love my purees.
You're insane, man. Yeah, do you do anything with it?
So you can use as a base for a nice salmon or tilapia or catfish. So you grill the catfish, you put this on a plate, you put the catfish on top, and you just flake it and eat it like that. Oof, delicious.
Well, it's just amazing.
All right.
And that was super easy to make.
Very simple, correct?
Yeah, just kind of throw it in, let it cook for itself. Can you tell them to like, subscribe?
Please like and subscribe so we can do a little bit more of this puree diets. Hit the button below.
Yeah?
And follow us.
See you next time.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao, Bella.